Ache baba, ache yeye, ache lofi, ache ifa, ache rumila, ache legua, ache echo, ache ogun, ache osiosun, ache badala, ache chango, ache oya, ache ochun, ache yamaya, ache aye, ache egun, ache egbe.
Each Odu will have Ese Ifa, or verses, that speak to the teachings of the Odu. Everyone can learn and benefit from the positive advice provided within each of the 256 Odu. Through the process of Ifa divination, additional specific advice and above prescription information contained within the Odu that may apply to your specific situation can be revealed and interpreted by an experienced Ifa priest. This video will provide information about the Odu known as Odi Meyi. Odi Meyi is the fourth of the 16 Meyi, or 16 principal Odu. In the previous 3 Odu Meyi videos, we spoke about Eji Ogbe, representing the light or the beginning of something new. We spoke about Oyeku Meji, representing the dark or the ending of a cycle. In Iwori Meji, we spoke about human consciousness. You can learn more about these first 3 major Odu by navigating our playlist named 16 Odu Ifa and their meaning, or by clicking the link above or clicking the links at the end of this video. Eji Ogbe, Oyeku Meji, Iwori Meji, and Odi Meyi represent the 4 cardinal points. These cardinal points are symbolized on the Odu Ifa divination tray. Eji Ogbe representing the east where the sun rises, which is symbolized on the left side of the Odu Ifa divination tray. Oyeku Meji representing the west where the sun sets, which is on the right side of the Odu Ifa divination tray. Iwori Meji representing the north, which is symbolized on the top side of the Odu Ifa divination tray. And Odi Meyi representing the south, which is symbolized on the bottom side of the Odu Ifa divination tray. Odi Meyi describes the concept explained in the law of conservation of mass. All mass that currently exists in the universe cannot be created nor destroyed. It is simply transferred or transitioned into different forms. This includes our physical selves. Energy that traverses our physical selves also takes different forms. If you remember in Oyeku Meji, we spoke about how energy moves to and through us during the cycle of life and death. It is up to us how we leverage that energy for the good of ourselves and those around us. Odi Meyi talks about rebirth and the process of being born again. During our physical life, we have the opportunity to experience progression and evolution of ourselves from the moment we are conceived. An evolution of ourselves that starts as early as the fetus stage and on through to the infancy stage, the childhood stage, the adult stage, and the elderly stage. Odi Meyi talks about spiritual growth and expansion of our mind, progressing ourselves and elevating the way we think. It also symbolizes a revival or awakening of ourselves through consistent learning throughout our lives. Throughout our physical stages, we have the opportunity to evolve in a spiritual way. This evolution occurs alongside our physical stages, but only when we are aware of this possibility. Spiritual evolution involves expanding the mind through learning. Spiritual evolution provides us with the ability to think we can accomplish what we set our minds to. Being a good person, starting from the inside and outwards. Being a good son or daughter, sister or brother, husband or wife. Being successful in our careers and our businesses. Helping others in this world that are less fortunate. Helping others and guiding them towards a positive life. Our spirituality is the most powerful ability we will ever possess once we become aware of it. It all starts with your thoughts. Keep them positive and the rest will follow. Odi Meyi speaks about blessings related to establishing a business or career. Continue working on your self-character to be the best person you can be at all times. This will help expedite your business and career goals. Odi Meyi speaks about propitiating the Ori of your wife, or the Ori of the woman in your life. Her Ori will help guide towards success. Odi Meyi speaks about the love and support from family and friends surrounding us. Be conscious of this source of positive energy. Nurture your source of positive energy at all times. Be patient with everyone and everything in your life. Blessings will continue to come your way.
If you find this video to be a positive influence, please click the thumbs up button. Please consider subscribing to this channel and click the bell notification button to be notified when new Ifa Odu videos are published. Please also share this video with someone you know to help influence them in a positive way. Have a blessed and positive day. Ache.